Mm-hmm.
Daddy, what?
So, you know what we're gonna do, son?
What?
We're gonna take this box of matches and we're gonna break off the little heads of the matches, a bunch of them,
And throw them in and then just light the top of the matches?
yep, into that bird's nest right there.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut the heads off and put a pile of match heads right inside of there. See how many we can get in there, in that little bird's nest. And then we're gonna light it on fire. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to work.
Let's do it.
We got a little bit. Show them how you cut it.
So what you do is you want to find something kind of sharp, and if you want to light a bird nest, just cut it right there. Find a sharp part, and pinch the red part off, and then you have to have something that you can put in.
Okay, buddy, give it a shot. You do one and then I'll do one. A little bit harder.
I get it. Medium size.
Mm-hmm.
A little harder, I think. Too hard. Hey, a little spark.
Yeah.
Here you go. Whoa!
Wow!
Man, that's good.
That worked well. Box was empty.
Throw that guy in there. Man, that Daddy, that just started up fast.
Mm-hmm. You can throw that on there. Go ahead.
Daddy, probably throw these sticks.
If you want to. All the sticks from the match heads.
Huh?
All of the sticks from the match heads. I think the fire is pretty much going out.
Whoa! Why are you blowing on it?
To make it flame out more, buddy. So hopefully the matches will catch fire and we'll still have a fire.
I think the real fiery part is here.
Yeah.
I got a fire.
I think that's pretty much it, buddy. Was that fun?
I got a light. What?
Will you answer me?
I answered you.
Was that fun?
Yeah,
Okay.
kinda.
Kinda.
I think because I lighted that guy and I threw him in.
Yeah. Little bird nest campfire.
That's cool. We can roast a marshmallow. Daddy, pull it your way. Daddy, look it's aiming at my way. It's like it wants to burn me. What the? Jeez. Daddy, it's smoking me. I want to do something. Can I?
What?
Tweezers. I need some tweezers.
You want my tool?
Yes. Before it's too late. No. Keep it at this high. Done?
It's burned through all of its fuel, son.
Not the bottom.
Put matches down in the... Oh, okay.
Daddy, no, maybe you don't hear a lighter? Why is there still smoke? Daddy, why is there smoke?
Because it's still fizzling out inside there.
Can I step on it?
No.
Why?
Try blowing on it and see if we can get it to light again. There's a lot of matches in there.
We need some fire.
Wonder how much baby bird poop we just burned.